Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. In this video, we'll see how to make your Valorant smooth. Valorant is a CPU heavy game, meaning it uses more of your CPU resources rather than your GPU resources. So the main reason your game feels choppy is due to heavy load on CPU. To check it out, head into Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Skip. Or you can just right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Here you can select other application consuming CPU resources and right click and select End Process Tree. Furthermore, you can right click on Valorant.exe and select Priority to High. This should make your gameplay smooth. Thank you for watching the video. To see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon.